Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I would like to show you a traditional knife from Case. This is a traditional American knife making company. I had some Case knives in the past. This is from the tested XX series, and my understanding this is a model that it came out in 2017, and we will be talking about the tribal lock. So if you are interested, here are some informations. I will also put all informations I've got into the description box. This knife was made, as you can see, on 7th April 2017, and this tribal lock is one of the 14 different models or different scale variants that is made by Case. This is the navy blue bone, and I will explain the scale. Like always, you will get some information about the company, about the knife, about the series in different languages. Always good to have. And the knife comes nicely wrapped in this paper. Okay, so this model, as I mentioned, has the blue jigged Rogers jigged navy blue bone, the nicely jigged pattern, and this is the only variant that has just a single nickel silver bolster. The 13 different variants come in a double bolster, so you have another bolster here. In my opinion, this is one of the most that is for me most optically pleasing. Has a nice oval Case script shield with the Case company and the series XX marked inside the shield. Brass liners and pins, of course, nicely polished. Most traditional knives are of course slip joints, but a couple of patterns are with a lock, and this one is a back lock, as you can see. This is also mentioned in the model or product name itself, the tribal lock. Maybe what I should pick up or mention is that there is a little bit difference in height of the backspacer and the lock, so you can feel it with your finger. The factory ID is CA07065, and the model number is TB6120110L, and SS stands for stainless steel. The blade steel on this one is the TruSharp surgical stainless steel. The exact composition is probably a secret. I don't know. I could not find it on the page. So there is your information about the model number and the company. So okay, we have a overall length of 7.19 inches or 18.26 centimeters. Close length is 4.13 or 10.5 centimeters. The blade length is 3.06 inches or 7.78 centimeters, and the weight of the knife comes at 3.3 ounces or 93.5 grams. So fairly light, as you can see. Traditional design, no pocket clip, of course, and this is a collaboration with Tony Bose. So Case did partner up with Tony Bose and he produced this design for Case. Really beautiful. And of course practical knife. Given that this is a Lockback, you will have added strength for all your tasks. But probably the main use of this knife is for your food preparations and maybe all sorts of small EDC chores, like maybe box opening, cutting paper, and opening leathers, such stuff. So nothing crazy. Always keep in mind, do not do crazy things with your knives. They are tools for those tasks, so use them to not damage. Okay, so inside you can see the brass liners. Really nicely polished, nicely made. Overall beautifully executed knife, like from Case. We know they produce excellent quality for the price. Okay, let me talk a little bit about the price. So the MSRP stands around 96 to 98, depends on what site you are looking at. But let's say the street price or the dealer's price you can acquire this knife is around $60. So yes, just shop around, maybe go to your favorite knife dealer, or maybe look at eBay. I got mine on eBay for a good price. So do your homework and you can save up some money. Okay, so as obviously it is, I don't know if I mentioned it, Case is an American company, so the knife is made in USA, like the sticker says, proudly made in USA. So if you like traditional knives, maybe don't like to get those Chinese brands that I have previously featured on my channel, you can definitely look on the website of Case Knives, and you will see a ton of beautiful designs, knives there. And you have also different steel options there, high carbon, stainless steel, so it depends on what you want to use it. This traditional knife has only one blade, as you can see here. This is a spear blade. And the handle is nice. Rogers Jigget Navy Blue Bone. Little bit size comparison. Here is just a standard AAA battery. Then I have here we all know and love the Spyderco Delica, so roughly the same size. Also I have here a medium Recon from Cold Steel. So these are probably the same sizes. Also I have a shuffle tool. A little bit larger, but okay. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply to your questions, obviously, if I can. And as always, have a nice day.